Hey folks, another day with very isolated showers popping up across the valley. Isolated, the key word. You look at radar. Some stuff earlier in Cameron County this afternoon. We're seeing stuff now up in Hidalgo County, but very isolated. It kind of rains and it's gone very quickly. What's left is now kind of just to the northwest of Edinburg. Another shower right along the river, and that fading away as well. And Future Track says it all goes away tonight. It should. By 11 o'clock, there's nothing left except some clouds. And then tomorrow during the daytime, we start partly to mostly sunny again. There's your afternoon sea breeze again, triggering isolated showers. Probably not the same places as today. They're just kind of scattered around eastern part of the valley, moving west. And then that's about it. Something we're going to rinse and repeat again for Sunday, rinse and repeat again for Monday. Just maybe a little less activity on Monday, but spotty stuff around during the afternoon each of the next few days. Here's a look at the rest of the valley right now. Temperatures in the 90s every place except Rio Grande City, still at 105. 98 McAllen, 94 Harlingen, 90 in Port Isabel this hour. Our overnight lows back in the mid to upper 70s, except at the beach, about 80 there, but 78 in Brownsville, 77 McAllen. And then tomorrow, readings about the same as today, 100 plus from McAllen westward. Edinburgh's 99, Harlingen 96, and the beach about 89 tomorrow afternoon. 97 is the seasonal average, and that's close to the average for the next 3 days. We're kind of right on the mark, not going to set any records. Not going to be unusually warm or cold. It's kind of right about where we should be. We're sharing our heat today with the rest of Texas. Abilene's 100 right now. Del Rio's 101. Laredo's 102. All warmer than the valley. Even up in Dalhart, it's 95. Dallas is 94. So some very warm temperatures on the Texas weather map. And they're probably going to stay that way for a while. The big ridge is still here in the upper atmosphere. And while there are fronts on the map pushing through Texas and that low helping to trigger storms well to the north of us, everything washes out long before getting here. The front stalls. If you got travel plans into Texas, you'll run into scattered showers, even some thunderstorms over the weekend. But for the most part, it all stays north of us, with the exception of that sea breeze stuff. So count on, again, a mainly dry weekend here across the valley. Let's check the tropics. This system no longer a concern, although it will be a rainmaker for the southeast coast. The one down here, Hurricane Center's not as impressed today as it was yesterday. Only a 40% probability of development the next 5 days. Where it goes after it gets into the Caribbean, that's still a big question mark. Rest of Texas traveling tomorrow. Temperatures in the morning start in the upper 70s in most areas, and by afternoon, a lot of Texas into the mid to upper 90s. Should be a hot day across the state. So for us for tonight, mainly clear and muggy, 75 for a low. Tomorrow back up to 98 with just that spotty afternoon shower. Stuff fires up on the sea breeze once again. Here's your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. We keep temperatures hot, upper 90s, even low 100s early next week. The chance of rain kind of fades, but I'm not going to say ever goes completely away. Isolated shower possible even through the middle of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.